Hi everyone, it's me Kiran and you're watching me on Unique Boom. One of the best thing I understood right now in this phase where I was not able to understand this thing from past 4 years regarding taking actions, okay? Because this is the point where we don't feel motivated enough to do things. Our brain has made up all those excuses very high that we keep on holding back to the things which we should start right now or right away. I would like to give you an example regarding something. You're planning on something and you want to do that. Suppose out of 10 resources, you only got 5 resources with you, okay? And 5 resources is still not with you. So you'll hold back yourself and you will try to find those resources. And then, if you're completed with those 10 resources, you'll compare yourself with other things or other situations that okay, they are doing extra, they have something extra in them, and once I'll get that thing, I'll start my thing. That's not how you have to plan your things. Whatever you have, whatever you are planning right now, you have to execute it immediately. See, you have written down one idea in your diary, okay? If you'll see that idea after 6 or 7 months, because of that changed mindset, you'll not find that idea which you have wrote previously, you'll not find that idea much exciting. So that's the point. Every word, everything has their own timeline and has their own spark to do. If you have executed that idea before, it could have bloomed and it could have worked for you. So you'll not work on that idea. Whatever you have put energy on that idea that haven't grown up, or maybe you haven't worked on that. So once your mindset have grown to that level, you'll not consider that idea now. So that's the thing I'm telling to about, I'm trying to tell, is that just execute everything immediately after planning, I mean to say. Then your ideas will not get older, because at that stage you'll only see yourself growing, and you'll be able to see and observe the productivity or the growth in your mindset in you. So just keep on doing the things. I'll give you the very personal observation example from my life. I was just sitting on my bed. I was scrolling the videos, shorts, and all. Then I thought, okay, I have planned something. I have planned to record myself, if it's funny or if it's motivational, like something I have to record. Because I have two niche with me. I can speak something which can inspire people. Second one is that I can record something which can make people laugh. Record something in the sense I can use the dub videos and the reels and all, and I can act on that. So right now my more focus is on this motivation part or inspiring part, or whatever I have in my mind, I want to share it out. So if I have decided that I should record, I should keep on recording, and I should keep on writing my thoughts and execute it immediately. So I just got up and I thought like, okay, I'll put my phone in front of myself and I'll start recording whatever I have on my mind and whatever I have been planning from past 3 days, that what I have to record. See, in the starting, you'll not be able to present yourself very perfectly. You'll not be express completely whatever there is in your mind. But later on, you'll be able to track your emotions, you'll be able to track your words, and you'll be able to track what you really want to make the audience understand. So I hope you understood my point, and just keep on doing your work and don't delay for any reason. Because Once you have started, there is no going back, and you'll keep on growing. And I also do have belief in myself. Some days are stagnant, some days are very slow, but I believe in myself that okay, one day everything is going to work out. Whatever the plans and thoughts we are getting, or whatever it is getting planted in our mind, there is some reason and there is some planning of the God that okay, that thing is going to work out later. So you have to keep that mindset in order to start or execute something bigger. So I hope you understood, and thank you so much for watching my video.